Hello, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to block a number on your DUOQIN F22 Pro phone. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on the Contacts app, go to the Contacts app, then click on Contacts to see all of the numbers that you have. Then select the number that the contact that you want to block, and then click on the three dots on the top right, and then click on Block Numbers. And it's going to ask you if you want to block the number and report it as spam. And once you click block, you can see that the number has been blocked by this text down here. And that's it. The phone number won't be able to call your phone number. And if you want to unblock, you do the same thing by pressing the three dots on the top right, and then just clicking on unblock numbers and then accepting. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.